Om Namah Shivaya. Let's start today's tech talk with Realme. Realme 9i live images and specifications are leaked by the Pixel.vn, and the smartphone is going to be launched on 10th of January in Vietnam. This smartphone will have 6.59-inch FHD plus 90Hz refresh rate IPS LCD display, Snapdragon 680 4G processor, 50 plus 2 plus 2 megapixel triple rear camera setup, 16 megapixel selfie camera, 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt charging, Android 11 with Realme UI version 2.0, side mounted fingerprint sensor, 3.5 audio jack, and USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. OnePlus confirms that OnePlus 9RT and OnePlus Bud Z2 are indeed launching on 14th of January in India. Qualcomm announced 3D Sonic Max sensor, which is the world's largest ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. This new sensor supports two fingerprints. It can penetrate the surface of objects such as glass and metal for accurate fingerprint scanning. It has a larger area of scanning. It takes 0.2 seconds to unlock, and it is a 0.2 mm ultra thin design sensor and provides anti-spoofing security. Motorola is going to launch its Moto G71 5G in India on 10th of January. This smartphone will have 6.4-inch FHD plus standard 60Hz refresh rate OLED display, Snapdragon 695 5G processor with a 13 5G band support, 50 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel triple rear camera setup, 16 megapixel selfie snapper, 5000 mAh battery with a 30 watt charging, stock Android 11 experience, rear mounted fingerprint sensor, Bluetooth 5.0, IP52 rating, USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer, 3.5 audio jack. This smartphone will be 8.49 thick and it will weigh 179 grams. Not only Moto G71 5G but also Moto Tab G70 may also launch on 10th of January, as it has been listed on Flipkart with the complete specifications. This tablet will have 11-inch 2K IPS LCD display with 400 nits brightness, TUV Rhineland certification, MediaTek Helio G90T processor, 13 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel front camera, quad speakers, Dolby Atmos, 7700 mAh battery with a 20 watt charging, Android 11, IP52 rating. It will come in 4GB 64GB variant, will be 7.5 thick. It will weigh 490 grams. It has Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity and it will come in modernist teal color. Samsung finally launched its Samsung Galaxy S21 FE at CES 2022. This smartphone has 6.4-inch FHD plus dynamic Super AMOLED Infinity O 1080 by 2340 pixels resolution display, optical in-display fingerprint sensor, 120Hz refresh rate, 240Hz touch sampling rate, Snapdragon 888 processor, 12 plus 12 plus 8 megapixel triple rear camera setup, 32 megapixel selfie snapper, 4500 mAh battery with 25 watt wired and 15 watt wireless charging, Android 12 with One UI 4 operating system, NFC, IP68 rating, Wi-Fi 6, stereo speakers which are powered by Dolby Atmos, polycarbonate back, metal frame. This smartphone is 7.9 mm thick. It weighs 177 grams. It comes in white, purple, olive and graphite colors. The price of this smartphone with 8GB 128GB variant starts with $699, that is around rupees 52,000. iQOO 9 official look is here. Hyundai STARGAZER final design look is here. This new Hyundai STARGAZER MPV is to share the platform with new Kia CARENS and is expected to debut with 1.5 liters petrol engine. Kia is going to launch its Kia CARENS, and just ahead of the launch, some details regarding its variants has been revealed. This MPV will be available with a choice of diesel and petrol engines. It will have 1.5 liter petrol engine, 1.4 liter turbo petrol engine which will be available in the higher variants only, and 1.5 liter diesel engine, and will come in 5 variants that are Premium, Prestige, Prestige Plus, Luxury and Luxury Plus. Mercedes-Benz unveiled Vision EQXX electric concept car at CES 2022. This car can go up to 1000 plus kilometers on a single charge while consuming only 10 kWh energy per 100 kilometers. It weighs 1750 kgs. It has 117 solar cells at vehicle's roof, 47.5-inch screen interior, and this car will be the first which will work on real-time 3D navigation system with Navis. REALME 9 Pro 5G is spotted on NBTC certification, and this smartphone has already received Indian BIS certification. ONEPLUS 10 Pro with the Snapdragon 8 Generation 1 processor, Android 12, 12GB RAM is spotted on Geekbench database website with the single core score of 976 and multi-core score of 3469. A new trademark of Iqoo has been filed. Xiaomi 12X with the codename Psych has been spotted on Google Play console listings. Realme 9i and Realme Narzo 50 receives Indonesian Telecom certification. Oppo Reno 7 receives Indian BIS certification and IMDA certification. Xiaomi 12 Pro Global variant receives TUV Rhineland certification and Indian BIS certification. Xiaomi is going to launch a new hair clipper. Redmi Note 11 4G Global variant receives CARENS certification. This is all in today's Tech Talks. I hope you like it. Now, I will see you all on Friday with the next episode of Tech Talks by Pallav. Signing out for now. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, save water, and don't forget to wear the mask.